Welcome to another beautiful day in sunny San Diego. We're in the Minoy hangar, and today I will be reviewing the Keurig K-Duo coffee maker. And just in case you didn't know, Minoy is a vintage Great Lakes aerobatic biplane, hence we're in the hangar because it's Minoy Trading Company. Firstly, what I'd like to do is run over the dimensions of the machine because it's quite bulky, in fact. The height is 13 inches here, unless you open the lids, which extends it up to 17.5 inches. The width, 10.5 inches, and the depth is just under 13.5 inches, but if you include the handle, you're going to be looking at just a fraction over 13 inches. And just a little side note, if you didn't know it, Keurig was founded in 1992, and they launched the first K-Cup machine in 1998. The patent for the K-Cups, however, has now expired, so it's opened up that market to other retailers. I'll just go over some of the basic features here of the K-Duo. Obviously, it is a split machine. On this side we have the K-Cups, and on this side we have a more traditional carafe. That's the load in for the carafe, and that for the K-Cups. And on the back here we have a 60-ounce water reservoir. Okay, so this is the brains of the unit. Power on, power off. There's a small LED right here giving you the time, which I believe you can program for it to come on at a certain time. These two flashing lights here are for K-Cup and the carafe, and then you have 6, 8, 10, and 12, and here is a strong button. Okay, so I'm just going to show you how to brew a quick K-Cup. Put the reusable K-Cup in there, and we obviously using our own freshly ground coffee for that. Now you got the two flashing lights here. You select the K-Cup, whatever size you want. In this case, we're just going to do a 6 ounce, and then you press the K-Cup button, and the machine will work as just a traditional K-Cup brewed cup of coffee. Okay, so now we'll show you the carafe side. Now you obviously have this, which comes with the carafe, or there's this, which you can just plunk it in and pull it out. If you're not doing that large a brew, you just shut the lid. Again, select the carafe this time. Select how many cups, 6, 8, 10, or 12. So we're just going to go with 6, and then hit the brew. And as always, in the description below will be links to all of the items that you see, as well as the coffee machine itself, as well as our own line of aviation themed coffee, which is rather good, even though I say so myself. In fact, it's spectacular. Okay, so that's coffee brewed in the carafe. As you see, we've got a little red light here showing that this heater's on, warmer's on. And that pretty much is it. It's just two separate units, and I'll give you a roundup of exactly what I think of the machine right now. Okay, so the good and the bad about the Keurig K-Duo. Great concept, allowing you to do either single cup or multi-cups in one unit. Great. It's easy to operate the handles and fill and unload the compartment. This has a nifty little feature which shuts off the water flow if you pull out the carafe before it's finished brewing. Some of the things though that I don't like about it, it's too many flashy lights, completely unnecessary. The only way that you can turn the hot plate on and off is by this button. In fact, there you go, won't switch off. You have to power the machine down. So you have absolutely no control over the hot plate. The water is on the back, which if you have a cabinet above it, it means that it's hard to see and it's hard to access. One of the things that I really do like though is in the back we have a filter that you can buy, and it plugs directly in to your water reservoir. Filters are good, makes your coffee that much better. So on the whole, a pretty neat coffee maker, especially if you do both of the single cup and carafe brewing. As always, we appreciate the likes. Follow us to see all the other videos and hit the notifications button so that we can let you know when a new video comes out. As always, it's all about the coffee unless it's time to fly. And right now, it's time to go fly me noi.